There's another step here suggesting you could add background music. Insert the following code right at the top. Copy that, and that will give us some background music. Let's go to our editor. We go up to the top somewhere. We insert this code, and that's pretty much it. And let's just run. And there we go. So now we've got background music playing while whatever is happening on screen is happening. In this case, it's all my 300 cubes painted with the cool earth. So if we just look at that line, it was referring to a music file, and there's no HTTP. That music file is on Ancient Brain. Does that mean you can upload your own music? Yes. So you can upload your own music, and then you can use your music. Does that mean you can search for other people's music and use that? And the answer again is yes. So you can include other people's music. You can go look for your own and have your background music in your game or your demo or whatever it is you're creating. So there's links there in the tutorial about you can get some music you like, and one site is DL Sounds, but there's lots of others. And then upload the music file and edit the code to point to your music file. So it's pretty similar to the image, except in the uploads, if I go to my uploads, it won't be a control V kind of thing. It'll be a choose file situation for the music. So save the music to your hard disk and then choose file.